another good bream.
Tyler, look at this massive bream. Right, hang on, let me get out, see if I can
Oh, good job, Noah. You wake now, guys?
Keep up.
Nice big lift.
Yeah, nice fish.
Ready?
Lift him up.
Lift him up.
Oh, Tyler, watch out, mate.
Yeah, up, one down. Big, mate.
Oh, head's down.
Oh, good fish.
Here he comes.
Alrighty.
Look at the colour on him.
Don't let his head come up.
Nice slow lift.
Oh, no. It's like 50. Yeah. I call 50.
Oh well, well done.
Good job.
Well done, mate.
Nice.
Good one. Perfect size.
He's fucking
That is shit.
Oh,
You're okay.
sorry. Just out here with Matt from Southwest Rocks Estuary Charters. Just nailed this absolute monster. So legend, Matt. Cheers, mate.
No worries, mate. We'll have a quick look at her and we'll send her back.
Let's see.
Meter. It's bigger, eh?
Maybe not quite.
Okay. Oh, 92?
Yeah, 92.
Nice.
Wow.
We'll just call it a meter. Wait, let me film the swimmer.
What an
I need a link
absolute
pop now.
That's awesome.
beast of a fish.
Still great.
Just on your phone.
Kick it off that way.
Wow. What a fish.
Welcome to the fish. Well done.
Oh! Oh, it's under the boat.
It's all
You're
right.
okay. Take
Oh, look at it. It's a beauty. Noah, look. Ah, that's a massive beauty.
Alright, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Nothing now.
Nice, Steve. First Dewey. Nailed
So
it.
big. Good little fish.